Hello guys, and welcome back to another training video here today. So in this part of the training, we're going to be diving right into sourcing our digital products. So when you think about it in terms of physical products, it's just like buying inventory, right? that you need for your online digital product business. So now there's different types of digital products that you can get started with. So the first one, of course, is ebooks, which is like the most popular type of digital product out there that anyone can create. It's easy to get started with. If you have a skill and expertise, you can package that into a book. It doesn't have to be as long as a physical book. That's the beauty of ebooks. Most physical books need to be like 150 plus pages long just to kind of give it that depth. Okay. So when people buy the book, they actually feel like they've bought a book. Now with an ebook, because it's electronic, because it's online based, because it's digital based, it's easier for you to create an ebook from anywhere between 15 to 20 pages long to as high as 150 pages. Really up to you. You have more flexibility when it comes to creating ebooks. I've purchased ebooks in the past that were less than 10 pages long, believe it or not. I've had ebooks that were 50, 60 pages long. I've had ebooks that were 20, 30 pages long. The goal here is to make sure you actually create a quality product versus trying to create a lot of quantity of things that are not really relevant to people. Okay, we want to provide quality. I'd rather pay for a 20-page ebook that goes straight to the point and actually solves my problem than purchase a 100 to 150-page ebook that was just full of fluff. Okay, so really think about all that when you're creating your ebooks. Another digital product you could sell is, of course, online courses. Now, online courses are a lot more profitable than ebooks because, again, they go more in-depth. You have to kind of go behind the scenes and show people how things work step by step. For example, you're watching an online course right now. I'm actually sharing my screen. I'm going more in-depth, and there's a lot of things you can actually show people and teach people in an online course versus an ebook, right? So let's say you wanted to teach people how to create a website. It's kind of hard to just write a book on how to create a website and expect people to learn how everything works by just reading a book. So you kind of want to go more in depth and show them all the technical and complex sides of getting things put together by creating an online course. What a lot of people do right now, for those who want to make even more money, they have ebooks, but they also have like an upsell, which is an online course for those who want to kind of learn things better. Okay, because some people are just a lot more visual than other people. So having an ebook and also converting that to an online course is a great way to make more money for your business as well. Some people even go as far as creating like podcasts and audios as well for those who want to just listen to the content. This is great for, it depends on the niche that you're obviously interested in. Like if you're going to be helping people create a website, having something like a podcast or an audio is just, it may not work, but it may work, in another niche that was to do with motivational, spirituality, anxiety, stress. So something like personal self-help, it may work better with audios because people can listen to that and actually, calm themselves down. And it just has a better impact. So it, again, depends on your niche. Another digital product you could sell is what we call swipe files. And these things are becoming very popular these days. I'm sure you guys have come across, someone selling you guys an email swipe, done for you email swipes, done for you templates. They're very easy to create. And I have like a planner at the Run Boutique Academy that I sell for $7 because it's not a book. It's just a fill in the blank, right? Business plan that people can download and just go and fill in the blanks as they go along. So that's a perfect example of swipe files. You just put together something that people can fill in the blanks, or you can have it done for you sort of, template, or done for you content that people can just copy and paste and use as their own. Okay. Another digital product you could sell is things like software and templates. Now, this is obviously a lot more, software is something that you kind of have to, it's a lot more advanced, right? If that makes sense. So, you may not be able to create this from scratch, but if you're someone who's into software design, then you could look into, doing something of that sort. It can even be things like Excel spreadsheets. So people are selling things like budget spreadsheets, right? Bookkeeping spreadsheets that people can download and then go on and actually put all the figures together, and it does all the calculations for them. So software can be anything from, ebooks that already have formulae created within it that can automatically calculate things for people. So that's another thing that you can look into. Graphic and digital art is another powerful digital product that is selling, especially in platforms like Etsy right now. If you go on Etsy and just search for art, digital art, you're gonna see a lot of things that people are doing there right now. There's people selling drawings of like a dot and making a lot of money. It's that crazy, guys. So if you're someone who's more kind of creative, more, you know, on the creative side of things, you're maybe a graphic designer, you can look into you can even create graphics that people can buy for their t-shirts, right? This is another booming industry right now. People are starting t-shirt companies, and if you were a graphic designer, you could actually be selling your art on the internet. So guys, these are all digital products. Of course, there's a lot more out there, like membership sites where people pay you monthly to access your content. So how do you start with actually sourcing digital products in the first place to sell? Where do you find digital products? How do you even get started creating digital products? Now, of course, there's different ways that you can source digital products to sell. The first strategy, of course, is to create your own ebooks, online courses, software, templates, checklists, whatever you're trying to sell. You can actually do it yourself using platforms such as canva.com, which is free, or using Google Drive, which is perfect for writing your ebooks. I prefer Google Drive to write my ebooks because it's just, I just love working with Word documents because I can easily convert them to PDF files. I have more options in terms of formatting. Some people actually create ebooks on Canva. I personally don't do it. I use Canva for ebook covers most of the times, but you can, up to you. You can still use Canva to write ebooks, but I personally don't do that. I use Google Drive to write my ebooks, then I use Canva to create my ebook covers. So that's the first way, of course, to go on creating your ebooks. And then, of course, online courses as well. All you have to do is, guys, honestly, just get a PowerPoint presentation. You can use the free Google Slides, which again comes with your Google Drive account. Most computers already have a PowerPoint presentation app that you can use. If you're using Mac, the MacBook Pro, which is what I'm using right now, you can use the Keynote as well. So that's perfect. This is what I'm using right now to record this presentation. It's a PowerPoint slide. Just put together your ideas in bullet point, just the way I've done it, and then start talking over. Okay. Or you can have a video just showing your face and then explaining what you're trying to teach people, whichever way works best for you. Okay. And we do go more in depth at For You Ebooks and teach you step by step in our courses how to create ebooks and online courses more in depth. So if you guys want to learn more, be sure to upgrade to either the standard or VIP memberships, where you gain access to our digital training suite, which comes with all those courses that teach you step by step how to create your own ebooks, create your own online courses. Okay. The second way that you can source digital products, for those of you who don't want to go through the stress of creating any products yourself or building businesses yourself, is to look into affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is where you promote a company's products and then they pay you a commission for every referral that you bring into the company. Okay. So when you sign up as an affiliate, you will normally get what we call a unique referral link. And that link is what is essentially going to tell the company that someone came through you, right? So every time someone comes through your link and they purchase, that company rewards you a percentage commission. Now, there's different platforms that you can use to find digital products to resell, that you can find digital products to promote as an affiliate. The first one is clickbank.com, and I'm going to show you guys in a little while how these platforms look. Another platform is JVZoo, and another platform is Gumroad. Now, there's a few out there that you could look into as well, and then just register as an affiliate and start promoting their products. But just make sure, of course, that these products are within your niche. Don't go crazy and promote yoga today, and then tomorrow you're promoting leadership, and the day after you're promoting credit repair. Don't be that person. That's annoying. Find a niche, okay, and then stick to it, and then sell products that are relevant to your niche. And then, of course, the final way that you can source digital products is to use For You Ebooks, which you can resell as your own and keep 100% profits. And this is something that we offer here at For You Ebooks as well. For those of you guys that want to have more control, you want to keep all your profits yourself, and you want to, you want to customize products to suit your needs, this is like the best option that you can look into. Okay. So the first platform you can use to actually find digital products, ebooks, online courses, software, membership programs that you can actually promote as an affiliate and earn commissions is ClickBank. ClickBank is literally one of the largest digital product platforms out there right now. And you can come to the platform, register for free. It's absolutely free to join the platform. And once you're registered, you'll be able to actually go into the marketplace here and see all the different products that you can now start promoting and making money. So you can see right here, there's so many different niches. Okay, so let's just go to business and investing, and you can see all these products that other people have already created that you can now go and literally hit this button to promote and start earning affiliate commissions. Okay, so it's really, really easy to get started with ClickBank, and you gain access to literally all the products within their platform. You can start promoting them and making money. Now, again, I usually recommend that you have a niche. Okay, as we previously talked about, don't be that person that is promoting debt management today, and then tomorrow they're doing Forex, and then the day after they're promoting yoga. That's just going to confuse your audience. Okay, if you want to promote several products, then just make sure that they're under the same niche. So for example, when you're looking at debt management, that's actually something that is under sort of financial services. You can actually incorporate things like credit repair because it's still within that same niche. Okay, so let's say, for example, you were interested in, debt management. That was your niche that you've gone with, right? We can just click there to see if there's actually any products on the debt management. So you can see there's actually this one here that says dissolve your debt. And what I like to do is I like to go to like the sales page just to see what it looks like. Okay, so this has already been done for you right there. And if you were to promote this product, you can actually just go on here and click on promote right here. And then it will ask you for your account nickname. So you can see it actually tells me that I can earn 70% commissions right here. Can you see that? 70% commissions if I promoted this product. So I'm actually making way more money than the seller themselves. And this is the power of digital products. Okay, and this is why I love ClickBank, because obviously you're able to actually earn very, very high commissions as well. Okay, so that's the beauty of it all. I actually have a product, my academy, that I'm actually selling here right now on ClickBank as well. So I do have affiliates that come on here. You can see right here, they come on here. Okay, and then they're able to promote my product. So this is what my sales page looks like. Okay, so that's my product right there. So if anyone were to come here and purchase this product through my affiliates, then guess what happens? They earn a commission. Okay, so let's just go and promote. Okay, so my affiliates actually earn 35% commissions if they were to go out there and promote my boutique academy. So it's a great platform if you wanted to sell your products and get other people to promote. So it's actually a win-win. Or if you just wanted to be an affiliate and then, not go through the stress of creating your own products, you can just go there and find products that are around your niche and start promoting it to your audience very, very easily. And it's a very, very quick way as well to start generating that income without actually having to create any products yourself. Okay, there's other platforms like JVZoo as well that you can get started. I don't personally use JVZoo, but I know a lot of people that are actually affiliates. They go into this platform and they also promote products. But I think JVZoo is not as easy as ClickBank in terms of becoming an affiliate, because you have to go through a whole approval process with the seller before you are able to sell their products, right? So it just takes kind of, slightly longer for them to approve you to become a seller, to be able to sell their products, because they don't want just anybody going out there spamming links, which makes sense, right? Another platform you could use to start promoting products is Gumroad. So Gumroad has a lot of products that you can search. Let's just go to the discover right here. Let's just say maybe you've decided to choose yoga as your niche. You can actually just go here and search for yoga, and then that's going to pull up all the different yoga products that are currently being sold within its platform. And you can go there and just see the type of products that are being sold. So let's take a look at this one, for example. So she is selling, I believe, is an online course of some sort. Okay, yeah, classes, and she's actually got a $20 a month pass that you can purchase to be part of her community. So now with Gumroad, you need to register for a free account. And then once you register, if you wanted to promote this product, then they do have a process whereby you need to kind of contact the seller and kind of ask for permission to become an affiliate. And then they have to now go and add you as an affiliate manually. So it's more of a manual process, but it's just giving you guys the options of the different platforms that you can look into if you wanted to become an affiliate promoting online courses or selling ebooks. Okay, so that's another option for you to look into as well. Okay, and then the last but definitely not the least way of actually sourcing digital products to sell is to use For You ebooks that you are legally allowed to resell as your own and keep 100% profit. So you're literally going out there, getting a product of your choice, putting your own price tag as you please, and then selling it to your customers and making money recurringly forever. You've got more control. You can create your website and sales pages the way you want it. You can actually even go in and edit the ebooks to look the way you want. You can put yourself as the author. You can change the covers. Guys, honestly, it's one of the best investments ever, okay? And I highly, highly recommend it, not only because we offer this service at Funapaya already, but because it's going to actually help you brand yourself and stand out from the crowd, okay? So here at Funapaya, what we've done is we've actually created digital products for you in over 30 niches plus, and we're constantly adding new niches as we go along. So you can see right here, we've got the acne niche, Amazon affiliate, Amazon KDP, anxiety, aromatherapy, beauty, blogging, bodybuilding, bookkeeping, branding, ClickBank, credit repair, dating and relationships, debt management. Guys, you can see all the niches that we've got right here currently present. So within each of these niches, so if we went on to click on any of these niches, right, where it says download the templates, then here's what happens. You're able to actually go and see all the products that come with that specific niche, okay? So all these products have been created to correlate with that niche. So let's take a look at the ebook, for example. If you wanted to resell this ebook as your own, then all you have to do is just go there, open that file, okay? That's a Word document cover of a done for you ebook that you can literally go and change the content. You can change this ebook covers to suit your needs, okay? And we teach you exactly how to do that. So if you wanted to put your name there as the author, you wanted different colors or all that good stuff, which we always recommend you do anyway if you wanted to stand out from the crowd, right? You want to really go there and kind of make a few tweaks and changes and make it your own, essentially. And you can see this is like an Instagram marketing ebook that has already been done for you. Honestly, all you have to do is just download a copy, resell it as your own, make any changes that you want, and start cashing in that money forever. You can go and create your own sales pages, you can set your own prices, and every profit that comes in is your own money, 100%, okay? And this again is available in like so many different niches. And here's the beauty of it all. You also gain access to the bonus ebooks. So these are bonus ebooks that you can sell together with your main ebook, or you can sell them separately. If you wanted to make even more money, you can literally have, like, we have people that come on board and they go and open like a whole e-commerce store just selling ebooks. I'm not saying you should do that, but you know, just to tell you that the opportunities are endless with our digital products, because when you gain access to our platform, either as a standard member or a VIP member, you have access to all our different niches that come with all these ebooks that you are legally allowed to resell as your own and keep 100% profits. Guys, this is powerful. There's never been an easier way to become an author and actually write your own book, okay? Now, so you can see we have all these bonus ebooks that you can go and sell as your own and make even more money, or you can bundle them together, package them together, and increase the price, because now you're telling them, hey, you don't only get one book, you get like 5 or 6 different books on Instagram marketing for just a one-off price. And you can charge this thing from anywhere between 27 bucks to even 67 bucks, okay? Because it's quite a lot of books and quite a lot of value that it get. And this is a one-time investment, guys. If you decide to go with us, you actually gain access to the membership program once, and then you resell these products forever, okay?